Hello everyone, and welcome to Coffee with Ulrik. In today's session, I will dispel two myths when it comes to capital gains tax and your primary residence. In South Africa, when you sell your primary residence, there's a 2 million rand exclusion from the gain that you make, and that is not taxable. The first 2 million rand of the gain that you make is not taxable. The myth is that if it's the only property I own, regardless if it's I live in it or not, the 2 million rand is excluded from the gain. Now that is a myth, because you have to live in the property. It has to be your home, where you have your life and where your partner is, your spouse, your dogs, where you take home your groceries, where you have your life. You have to live in the property for it to qualify as your primary residence and therefore qualify for the exclusion. That leads me to my second myth. And you'll say, okay, Ulrik, if that's the case, I will give my tenants notice. I will move in for a few months and then claim it as my primary residence when I sell, and I can get my 2 million rand exclusion. Now that's also a myth. And SARS says in that case, you can only claim your exclusion from the period that it was your primary residence. So for example, let's say you own the property for 10 years, you lived in it for 5 years, and you rented it out for 5 years. You can only claim your 2 million rand exclusion on the period that you lived in it for those 5 years, not for the full period. There are some exemptions to that rule, and if you want to find out those exemptions, please contact me, reach out to me, and I will gladly share those exceptions with you. If this has been helpful to you, if you have any questions on selling your primary residence or whether you can claim your primary residence exclusion or not, please feel free to contact me and I'll assist you. If this video has been helpful to you, please like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.